business smoothly and quickly. The Act provides for a separate set of commercial courts to be set up by the state governments at the district level to try suits and claims pertaining to commercial disputes. Commercial courts are courts for resolving the commercial disputes arising in the business field, and it came to force on the 23rd day of October 2015. Next is what is commerce? So, commerce refers to business matters such as contract, export or import, or even financing agreements and trade. So, the commercial codes are made to resolve business issues such as fraud, breach of contract, unfair trade practices, and all that. Commercial codes have jurisdiction in order to solve the issues that arises in business. Let's say in simple words, we can say that when any business suffers a loss due to injustice in a transaction, then he can knock the door of a commercial court. Commercial courts are courts for resolving the commercial disputes arising in the business field. So, what is commercial disputes? Section 21C of the Commercial Codes Act, defined 2015, defines commercial dispute as a dispute that arises out of the following matters. So, what is a dispute? Dispute means some type of disagreement. It is related to commercial matter. Then we call it that it is a disagreement arising in the business where a party is not able to fulfill his promise for which he was legally bound, due to which the other party suffers a loss. So, a commercial dispute is a business dispute. It means a dispute between two party, two businesses, or dispute between a business and a customer. Section 21C of the Commercial Codes Act 2015 defines commercial dispute as a dispute that arises out of the following matters. First is export or import of merchandise or services, issues relating to admiralty and maritime law, construction and infrastructure contracts, including tender, franchise agreements, distribution and licensing agreements, partnership agreement, shareholders agreement, intellectual property rights relating to registered and unregistered trademarks, copyrights, patent, design, domain names, geographical indications, and semiconductor indicated circuits, and joint venture agreement. There are around 20. I've only mentioned a few here. So it's Dr. Dilip Chowdhury versus Partishree Projects Limited and others. A single bench of Calcutta High Court, comprising of Justice Debangsu Basak on Jan 9, 2020, clarified the procedure to be adopted for transfer of cases from regular courts to the commercial courts as per the Commercial Codes Act 2015. So I'll say the facts of the case. The defendant number 1 to 8 caused breach of contract, which they had entered into with the plaintiff. And the plaintiff filed a suit seeking recovery of a sum of rupees 3 crores with damages. So in the suit, the plaintiff had applied for a judgment and decree on admission, which was allowed, by judgment dated July 26, 2016. However, the same was set aside by the appellate court on August 2017, and a special leave to appeal was preferred against the judgment of the appellate court before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court issued notice on 2018. The defendant number 3 and 4 filed a written statement challenging before the division bench. The division bench dismissed the appeal as not maintainable because the dispute is a commercial dispute falling under the Commercial Codes Act 2015. The High Court took a note that the suit was filed on January 30, 2015, before the Commercial Codes Act was gazetted on December 31st, 2015. The court held that, based on the pleadings that are enumerated in the plaint, the disputes which are involved in the suit is falling under the purview of Section 21C of the Commercial Codes Act 2015. Section 21C 11 of the Commercial Codes Act 2015, it states that, first is the definition. In this act, unless the context otherwise requires, commercial dispute means a dispute arising out of 11, that is joint venture agreement. The court therefore held that, since the suit involved in the matter comprises of a commercial dispute and so it has transferred to the commercial disputes for the purpose of trial. This commercial code. So what is a commercial code? Commercial codes are defined in section 2B of the Commercial Codes Act 2015. So any code for the purpose of exercising the powers that comes under the Commercial Codes Act 2015, and it is constituted by the state government at district level after the consultation with the concerned High Court. Next to section 3.3 of the Act, the state government, with the concurrence of the Chief Justice of High Court, appoints one or more persons having experience in the commercial dispute to be the judges of the commercial court. So one or more persons should be here, and it will be appointed by the Chief Justice of the High Court. Commercial Codes Act under arbitration. So arbitration matters which involves a commercial dispute of subject matter for more than value rupees 1 crore. It includes applications or appeals arising out of such arbitration is to be heard and disposed by the commercial court in case of matter which is ordinarily lie before the principal civil court, or commercial division of the High Court in case of matter which would ordinarily lie before the original jurisdiction of the concerned High Court. So, in the view of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, all matters pertaining international commercial arbitration involving disputes of the subject matter of value more than rupees 1 crore have been brought within the ambit of the High Courts. So, such matters pertaining to the international commercial arbitration are to be heard and disposed by the commercial division.